Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log in to the Suncorp Bank. Now to do that, firstly make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Once the web browser opens up, on the search bar type in SUNCORP bank and then hit the search button. After you hit the search button, you will be redirected to another page. Now on this page, go and simply click on this first link. After you click on the first link, you will be redirected to the home page of Suncorp Bank. Now, on the home page on the top right corner, you'll see this login button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the login button, you will be redirected to another page. Now, on this page, you'll simply have to fill in your customer ID here, your password here, your token code here, and then click this login button. Once you click this login button, and if all your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your account. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.